So we are here today at the brand new Mövenpick Resort in the Maldives, and it is, wow, it is incredible. We're so excited to be here. Ben's just testing out the infinity pool.
Hi everyone. Oh,
don't fall over.
Nearly fell over. Yeah, we just got here, like Amy said, to Mövenpick in the Maldives, and we were going live. So if you're just joining, if you can hear us, give us a thumbs up, and if we're coming through loud and clear, also let us know. Feel free to drop us a comment. This is literally one of the first videos you'll ever see from inside of Mövenpick's new resort in the Maldives. So as you can see, picture perfect lagoon pool villa here. Just such an awesome view across the lagoon. So as you join live, remember, give us a thumbs up and give us a wave, and we'll answer any questions you've got.
Yeah, if there's anyone you know that wants to go on a honeymoon to the Maldives or on holiday, yeah, make sure to share it with them so they can have a look around. As we said, it is a brand new resort. It's only been open for literally, is it 2 weeks? Is that
I think
yeah.
2 weeks, yeah.
So we're one of the first guests to be here, so it's really, really exciting.
Yeah, definitely. I'm going to show you the access to the lagoon. So hello to everyone who's joining the live or the repeat of this.
So you've got this really cool overwater hammock here.
And then this is access straight down into the lagoon behind me. Pure turquoise blue. Oh, I'll come back up.
Yeah, so we'll give you a look around today.
Right.
If there's anything you want to see in particular, just drop us a comment and we're happy to answer them or show you around those specific areas.
Yeah, exactly. I'm going to walk over here to show you the sunbed so you can follow me through over the infinity pool.
I'll take you guys down here as well. So this is the view you have out from your infinity pool. And that's the beach over there in the distance behind Ben.
I'll try not to fall in. It's really cool, like black stone. Not entirely sure what stone it is. It's like a volcanic stone, I think. That's used in the swimming pools. Gives a really nice look, really natural.
So hi Anton, thanks for joining. Where is this place? He's asking. So it's the brand new Mövenpick. Oh, sorry, the camera fell. brand new Mövenpick Resort in the Maldives.
Yes. So yeah, we're in the Maldives in Nunu Atoll, which is about half an hour seaplane north of the international airport. So yeah, the resort is Mövenpick. Mövenpick you might know from the chocolates and the ice cream. It's a Swiss company and they own a whole load of resorts elsewhere in the world. This is their very first one in the Maldives. And what's the best thing about this this resort, Amy?
Oh, this resort, it is incredible. It's like my favourite thing. It has something called chocolate hour from 4 to 5 every day, and you go down to their like cafe, coffee bar, chocolate factory I guess, and they give you like free like chocolate for as much as you want within that hour. All of their Mövenpick chocolate, ice cream. Oh, it's so good.
Yeah, really good. So definitely worth having a look. If Amy comes round, we're going to try and show you what the villas look like.
So Amy Cannon is asking how deep is the water right here?
Right here. Okay, the water is about up to kind of waist level. So waist level, good for, yeah, perfect for swimming. I'd show you if I had swim shorts on, but I don't. I do need to because it's super hot. It's about 30 degrees and we're roasting. But if you have a look back here, oh sorry. Sorry, technical issue here. Maybe we'll switch. But if you have a look back up here, you can see all these pitched roofs. So all this kind of like it's like triangular roofs. Oh, we'll see over there actually. So over here is a view of our neighbours. I'll move out the way. Yeah, so those are the pitched roofs there you can see. So everyone who's just joining, thanks for joining. Thanks for all the thumbs up. We are at Mövenpick's new resort in the Maldives. That's the Mövenpick resort chain, but they also are famous for other things such as ice cream and chocolate. So I'm going to walk out here now and take you through, which way should we go?
Into the bedroom?
Bathroom or bedroom?
Into the bedroom.
Yeah? So here we are inside the double bedroom. Super cool kind of interior, really modern. There's like wood effect flooring, very bright light. If you look around, there's loads of nice timber on the ceiling. I think the architect was from Poland and has used a lot of Indonesian design sort of styles within their interiors of all around the resort. So this is the main bedroom. All the oh sorry, we're having a bit of technical difficulties here. bear with us a second. Great, we've got a lot of people joining live here. Thanks everyone for joining. We're going to continue straight through here. So this is the entrance area, and if you look down here, can Amy see that? I'm standing on the glass entrance. So the front door's here, I'll show you. So the front door's there, and as you come in, you're greeted by this. So you can see fishes there in the daytime and at night time, and you know it's lit up in the evening. So everyone who's just joining, thanks for joining. We're live in the Maldives at Mövenpick's brand new resort. So if you want to come on through. So this is the bathroom, and as you can see behind me, that's the view that you could get from the bath. So I'll get into this humongous bath. Thanks everyone for joining live. We're live here in the Maldives, by the way, at Mövenpick's new resort. Give us a wave or comment or send us a question if you have any. So this is the bath. You can sit here, the sun sets just down there. So I don't know if you can see out to the view, but we've got the absolutely perfect day today for this live video. So where next? For anyone who's just joined, we'll take you outside again to show you the outside. So this is one of those over water hammocks that's just strung up. I'll give it a test.
Yeah, it's such a good area to sunbathe, isn't it? It's quite good if you bring a few cushions out and some blankets, and you can do some stargazing as well at night time. It's a really good spot.
Or you can go face down, I suppose, and
face down.
Look out for stingrays and turtles. So again, we're live, so thanks everyone for joining. Give us a thumbs up if you can hear us okay. It's midday here in the Maldives. It's about 30, well, it must be about 32 degrees, which is why I'm so hot and sweaty. Sorry about that. And we're just doing a quick tour here at Mövenpick's new resort. So I'm going to do another circle of this crazy infinity pool.
Yeah, so if there's anything you want to see in particular before we sign off today, just let us know in the comments. Happy to show you anything in this villa. If you want to let us know where you're watching from today as well, that'd be great. What time zone is it, where you are, and
could be good to
what's
show
the weather like?
Could be good to show people the view from the pool. If I can take the controls, I'm going to show everyone the villa.
Okay. It's your phone if you drop it.
So we're going out over the pool. Right everyone, who wants to come across the pool? I'm trying not to fall in. Hi Faris, thanks very much. Yeah, I know, sad that you can't be here as well. Thanks Kieran, glad you're liking it. I'm taking everyone outside to the very end of this infinity pool now. So if I pan around, I'll show you the full glory of the villa here. Thanks everyone for joining. We've got loads of people watching at the moment. Apologies for the shakiness, we lost our stabiliser earlier. So here is the view down. We're at the very end of the infinity pool, as you can see. Oh, I did nearly fall in there. Is there a kitchen, Angela? No, there's not. Thanks for asking. This is a full board, half board, or all-inclusive resort, so you can have the option. There's a load of good restaurants to choose from when you're here. Yesterday we ate at the barbecue restaurant by the infinity pool, the main pool. So that's what the villas look like from the outside. We're in one of these. Each villa has two of those pitched roofs, the kind of Indonesian style. And as you can see, this is brand new, open for about 2, maybe 3 weeks so far. Mövenpick's new resort in the Maldives, their first ever in the Maldives. So this is pretty special. If you'd like to share this with anyone who you know, we'll be doing a video from here. And also stay tuned, because the video that we do may have a special surprise for our followers, so keep your eyes peeled for that video and you can learn more once we release it. Okay, right, so I'm going to try and walk back without dropping my phone in the pool. Hi Hannah, thanks for saying that. Wow, yeah, this is a pretty special place. If you can see out there, there's a few islands. Can anyone see the islands? Give us a thumbs up. Straight in the middle of the screen now is one island, and there's another one there. Oh, great, brilliant, thanks everyone. I think we got people saw those. I'm going to pass back to Amy now, and we'll continue looking around inside for those who haven't seen it.
All right.
So we'll take you on one more tour through probably the bathroom.
Through into the bathroom this time, yeah.
Show you in there. This is all your own area here. If you're staying at Mövenpick, you get the whole decking, the hammock, pool, and through here to the bathroom. So we'll show people inside a little bit. It's a bit tight for all of us, so I'll walk people in. And Amy will come with us as well. So these are quite typical of the Maldives to hang the towels on. Thanks everyone for joining, and remember, yeah, you can tag friends, and there should be a share button on this live video and you can hit share. So this is the shower. A fairly normal shower you might think, but well, obviously very nice. But if you look,
the exciting thing is you can shower with a fish.
So that is the shower. Faris says don't go offline. Okay, no problem. I guess we're waiting for one of your friends to join. That's cool. So we will stay online for a bit longer. So that's the shower. This is the bathroom. Faris says he wants to watch live for the whole day. Oh, that's good. Let us know if there's anything else you want to see. Hi Donna. Yeah, it does look like we are permanently on holiday, but we're actually a film crew, so we're a production company for social media. We produce videos for social media, and we work with travel companies like hotels and resorts, so that's what we're up to at the moment. So here, there's your toilet, and there is your view from the toilet. So, toilet and view. So that's, yeah, pretty unique feature. And back out to the bathrooms. And for those of you who haven't joined, we will take you, I think, outside and round into the bedroom again. Hi Ruru, thanks for joining live. Glad you're enjoying it. We're at Mövenpick Resort, for anyone who's just joined. We are live here in the Maldives. So Mövenpick have just opened this resort. It's absolutely stunning, like brand new. Lots of white, very clean, crisp lines. As you can see, one of the best infinity pools we've ever seen. So we'll take you through to show you the bedroom again, for those who have just joined. So here again is the bedroom. If you haven't seen this already earlier in the video, I'll show you again. Just let you have a little look around basically.
This is the bed. Do you want to test how comfy it is?
Wow, yeah, very comfy. Very comfy, that bed. And we'll take you through to show you out the front perhaps. In the front
oh yes, okay. So here's the glass floor again. If you're lucky enough you can see some fish. And then outside, this is the main jetty. So it's a lovely sunny day here today. Lost Wi-Fi, but carry on. There we go, back outside. So that is the tour of this villa. If there's anything else you want to see, just let us know over the next few days.
Yes, that concludes the tour, yeah. We're here at Mövenpick, we're filming, so keep an eye out for video on our Instagram and Facebook. This has been a ocean villa, as you can see. Looks out to the ocean. And thanks everyone for joining the live, we really appreciate it. Remember, you can share the live, you can re-watch it as well if you didn't catch everything. And we'll see you again on our next live, potentially in a few days, or potentially on our next trip. So thanks everyone for joining, and speak to you soon.